What up, YouTube? You can't stop trading and investing with your boy James Z. Today I want to go over a little quick technical analysis on NNDM. NNDM finally cleanly breaking the sevens. What I think in the technicals, where I see this thing going. But before I do that, man, please hit that like button. Please subscribe. It's very much appreciated. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy that likes to analyze and research anything I find interesting in the stock market. That being said, man, let's just get right into it. NNDM, man, finally getting them pushes over the sevens, boy. Finally getting them pushes over the sevens. This thing has been consolidating for quite some time. There's a lot of news that continues to come out about this and the production levels that they continue to strive through, and just technology in general and the direction they're going. It kind of broke our trend that we've been having of these bull flags. If you watch any of my previous videos, we had a lot of direct offerings come back to back to back, and every time we did, we had a nice little spike. We haven't necessarily seen that in this last week, so we've been having a lot of consolidation over the sixes. And in my last video, in one of my last videos about this, I said as soon as it breaks that mark, as soon as it clearly breaks over the high right here, this high, we're going to start getting some momentum to potentially making new highs. We still have a high at 797. The next resistance level after that is clean. It's clean to the, I want to say, the 9 level. I had those lines drawn in, but they're gone now. Oh, actually, you know what? It's in another account that I have those lines drawn in. Even here, I haven't even updated this. Let me just update this real quick. Sorry, guys. Let me see. Add time frame. Let's do a 20-year and 1-day chart. That's cool. That'll work. Boom. Okay, cool. So anyway, if we go back on the chart pattern, we'll see. Clearly the next resistance is in the 9s, and then we have resistance over here near the 14s. Right here, 1392. So those are the levels I'm trying to play. So clearly once it breaks here, we got about another $1 of resistance. So once it breaks here, around 897 to the 9 area is the next resistance level. I see this clearly going to the 14s. Again, this company has great technology. Not only that, this company continues to move in the direction financially, and the chart pattern speaks for itself in the growth that we've seen lately. And I like to see these steady stair-stepper patterns. It's a typical pattern I look for. I like to see steady gradual increase in the chart pattern, steady gradual increase in financials, and then depending on what the company does, which this company has 3D printing, which they print computer components and electronics, which is great for the technology that we're in the era that we're in as of today. So what I'm seeing in the chart pattern, man, again, it was fighting that 7 level. We had major resistance right here at that 7 level, hit it, dropped, hit it, dropped, completely fell off, then finally broke through a little bit. But again, it could have been a fake out, and it seemed to fake out that day, dropped off. And then today we finally just blew right through it up to the 720 and 730 areas, and now holding in the 715s. That is a great sign to come. Because now it has a clear break through it. And as you can see, the last 2 green days, volume increased from the few reds and consolidation days. And then today, the volume increased as well on back-to-back green days. And as you can see, those candles are significantly higher than the last few days of trading when you look in this area. So, man, just looking at the technicals, we finally had that break. I was anticipating that break a lot sooner, around right here, hoping to see that pop here. But, just went through a consolidation phase of buying and selling. Again, man, if you were early in this stock, this would have been a good time to get profit because, at $6 a share, you are taking a lot of profit. But, again, I truly believe in this company for the long run. And NNDM is poised to do big things from what I'm seeing in the research that I've done. If you want to know any more details in that research, I have plenty of videos on NNDM in my channel. Please subscribe, and you could go look through my channel, and you can see the videos that I have posted on NNDM and the research I've done so far. But today I just wanted to go over these quick technicals. So it finally broke over here, and I had stated if it breaks here, then we're finally going to get that run. So today is Friday, so we're going into the weekend. So this gives a lot of traders time to think about it. And so when you're sitting and thinking on the weekend and you're seeing it clearly break this, we have the potential of Monday for this to provide a technical catalyst that could finally push us back up to these high levels and then potentially break it next week. Will it be broken by Monday? I don't know. I think it might have a couple more days before it finally breaks, but I do believe this thing could potentially break next week. So, that being said, man, leave a comment. Let me know what you think's going to happen in the upcoming week. You think this could potentially break on Monday? You think it could potentially break Tuesday, Wednesday? Give me a time frame, man. Give me a date on what day you think this thing is finally going to break through the highs and finally break that 797. We obviously finally broke the sevens and holding over the sevens, as you can see right here, broke cleanly, pulled back, consolidated, bounced off the support in the 690s and right back in the 17s. And as you can see, when it closed in the after hours, it closed at the bid of 719 and the ask at 720. So again, a great sign. So where do you guys think this is going to go next week? Do you think are we going to finally have a break of new highs? And if we do, how fast is this thing going to run to the nines? And what kind of catalyst do you think will propel this thing to the next level to finally reach those 14 ranges that I believe it's going to reach? So, just a quick analysis on the technicals and what I'm seeing. We finally broke that. I think that's finally the technical catalyst that we need to finally propel this thing near the highs again and potentially break it. And as you can see right here, after all this consolidation, it finally broke out of it. So next week, man, I'm thinking next week is gonna be big things. There's a few catalysts that I've seen come out that I'm going to look up in the news, and I'll probably make a video about that this weekend. But today I just wanted to go over the technicals really fast and show you what I've been waiting for, man. I've been waiting for it to break that 7 mark so that could cleanly break it, so it could propel this thing up to the 790s and potentially break the high of 797. And then once we're in the 8s, I see this thing clearly moving to the next resistance level in the 9s. So again, guys, if you watch this far, please hit that like button. Please subscribe. It is very much appreciated. Leave that comment. I'll reply as soon as possible where you guys think this is going to go. Again, man, you can't stop. Mafia is a mindset movement, meaning never stop yourself, never stop your progress, never stop your education, especially in finance. Having multiple streams of income is an amazing thing, and the stock market is a place for you to do that. So NNDM, still extremely bullish on NNDM. Still seeing it in the 9s sometime next week and potentially in the 14s by 2021. So, man, leave a comment. Let me know what your thought process is on this. NNDM, really bullish on it. Quick technical analysis. Till next time, guys, I'm out, man. Peace.